Hi there, in this video I'll be going over the process to build a macOS 26 Tahoe USB installation drive using a USB stick. To do this you'll need macOS 10.15 or above, I'm using macOS 15, and a 32 gig USB stick or higher to create the installation drive. Before you start, make sure to back up any data that is on the USB stick, as the USB stick will be erased as part of the process. Now, unlike previous versions of macOS 26 Tahoe is not available on the App Store. It can only be downloaded via the command line for the full version that is used to create an installation disk. To begin with, you'll first need to open the terminal application. To do this, use Spotlight by pressing Command and Space together. Then, type terminal and hover over the terminal application. It looks like a black box with a white arrow as shown here. Left click on it to open the application. Don't worry if your terminal looks different to mine, I've just done some customization on it. You can also get to it by opening a Finder window, going to Applications, scrolling down to Utilities, and then double clicking on Terminal. I'm just going to make this a little bit bigger. Just to make you aware, all of the commands that are used in this video will be in the video description, along with a link to a blog post if you would prefer that format. The first thing you need to do is determine what the latest version of Tahoe is. There are two ways to do this. First, you can use this website, a link is in the video description, which shows that it's been 26.1 at the time of recording this video. The second method is to run the following command in the terminal. I'll just scroll back up a bit, and make it a little bit wider. Usually the latest versions at the top, as we can see we've got a title of macOS Tahoe, version 26.1, which again is the latest version at the time of recording this video, so we'll go with that. I'll just clear that off. The next step is to download the installer for macOS 26.1 Tahoe. To do that, run the following command. If a newer version is available, replace 26.1 with that version if you want to. It will now download the installer. It will then say it's installing and give the percentage it's installed. Don't worry, it's only downloading the installer. It's not actually installing macOS 26. This will take some time, so I'll come back when it's done. Now that the installer has finished downloading, you should be able to see it in the Applications folder in Finder. As you can see, it's just called Install macOS Tahoe. I'll minimize that. The next step is to make the USB installation drive. First, make sure your USB stick is connected to your Mac. Mine is now connected and it's called USB stick, and there's nothing on it. I would recommend renaming your USB stick to a name that has no spaces to make things easier as we go along. Once again, I'd like to remind you to back everything up on your USB stick that you want to keep, because what we're going to do next is actually erase the disk. When you're ready, run the following command in the terminal. Replace USB stick with the name of your USB stick. I've got USB stick here at the end. All you need to do is just delete it and then type in whatever the name of your USB stick is. Now you can cheat by just doing a couple of letters and then pressing tab, and it might autofill. When you're ready, just press enter, enter your password. When it asks you to confirm the USB stick can be erased, press Y and then enter. We've got a progress here of erasing the disk. Your disk will disappear momentarily and then it'll come back saying install macOS Tahoe, and now it'll just copy the files over to the USB stick. Again, this might take some time, so I'll come back when it's finished. As you can see, it's now finished and the USB installation disk is now created. You can now use that to install or reinstall macOS 26 Tahoe on a supported Mac. Thanks for watching. If you found the video to be of use, please hit the like button and consider subscribing for more videos like this.